नमस्कार मित्रांनो, माझं नाव प्रफुल्ल भावसार. आज मी तुमच्यासाठी कंपल्सरी इंग्लिशचे 100 MCQ क्वेश्चन आणले आहे, जे तुम्हाला 3 सेटमध्ये मिळणार आहे. हा सेट 1 आहे. ओके, तर मल्टिपल चॉईस क्वेश्चन फॉर TYBA कंपल्सरी इंग्लिश एक्झामिनेशन ऑक्टोबर 2020साठी आलेले आहे. ओके, 100 MCQ असणार आहे. तर जास्त वेळ न घेता आपण स्टार्ट करूया डायरेक्ट. युनिट 1, अंकल पोडगर हँग अ पिक्चर बाय जेरोम के जेरोम. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर आहे, who finally get to the point of actually hitting the nail in the wall. Option number A, Uncle Podgar is the correct answer. Question number 2, who hit his finger instead of the nail. Option number A, Uncle Podgar is the correct answer. Yes, अपन. Question number 3, who wanted Uncle Podgar to tell a week in advance if he was going to do such a work again. Option number C, Auntie Podgar is the correct answer. Question number 4, who was giving the task of holding the light. Option number B, Maria is the correct answer. Question number 5, Uncle Podgar hang the picture dash dash. Option A, croquet is the correct answer. Question number 6, Uncle Podgar hang a picture in an expert taken from. Option number B, three men in a boat. Unit 2, how wealth accumulate and Mendici by G.B. Shaw. How wealth accumulate and Mendici by G.B. Shaw. Okay. Question number 7, G.B. Shaw supports. Option number C, humanitarianism. Okay. Question number 8, the title has been taken from an original work by. Option number C, Goldsmith is the correct answer. Question number 9, Shaw develops the image of pin making to show the futility of the claim of. Option number A, capitalism. Option number A, capitalism is the correct answer. Question number 10, the father of economics is. Option number B, Adam Smith is the correct answer. Unit number 3, a restrictive reformation by O. Henry. Okay. Question number 11, Jimmy changed because he fall in love with. ओके, तर याचा आन्सर नाही आहे. तुमच्याकडे आन्सर असेल तर तुम्ही खाली कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये कमेंट करू शकता. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. ओके, मी तर याचे ऑप्शन सांगू देतो. ए, ॲगॅथा. बी, मे. सी, ॲनाबेल. डी, व्हॅलेंटाईन. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, याचे पण इथं आन्सर नाही, तर तुम्ही याचे पण कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये कमेंट करू शकता. व्हॉट ॲडवाईस डज द वॉर्डन गिव जिमी जस्ट बिफोर जिमी इज रिलीज फ्रॉम प्रिझन. तर ऑप्शन ए, टू गो अवे. ऑप्शन बी, टू लिव्ह स्ट्रेंथ. ऑप्शन सी, टू स्टे इन जेल. ऑप्शन डी, टू मॅरी. खाली तुम्हाला जर येत असेल तर खाली कॉमेंटमध्ये कॉमेंट करा तुम्ही. मी नेक्स्ट सेटमध्ये हे क्वेश्चनचे आन्सर देऊन टाकेन. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, जिमी गिव हिज टूल किट टू. ऑप्शन डी, बिली. ऑप्शन डी, बिली इज द करेक्ट आन्सर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, व्हॉट डज द क्लर्क हँड टू जिमी as he is released from prison. Option number B, money. Option number B, money is the correct answer. Question number 15, Jimmy saw in front of the Elmore Bank. Option number B, Annabelle is the correct answer. मित्रांनो, मला फॉलो करायचं असेल तर तुम्ही मला इंस्टाग्रामच्या या आय डीवरती प्रफुल्ल भावसार ऑफिशियलवरती फॉलो करू शकता. ओके, तर चला जास्त वेळ नाही जाता, परत पुढचे क्वेश्चन घेऊया आपण. Unit 4, how much land does a man need? Leo Tolstoy. Okay. Question number 16, who were Bashkirs? Option number A, Russia. Question number 17, who overheard the conversation of the two sisters. Option number A, Pahom is the correct answer. Question number 18, what was the deal of the Bashkirs? Option number A, 100 rubles a day. Question number 19, Due to his Paham suffered at the end. Due to his Paham suffered at the end. Answer is greed. Option number B, greed is the correct answer. Question number 20. How much land does Pahom need? Option number D, 6 feet. 6 feet is the correct answer. Unit 5. On the Rule of the Road by A.G. Gardner. By A.G. Gardner. Question number 21. In the easy on the Rule of the Road, we have theme of dash. Option number D, all of the above. Liberty, frustration and equality. Liberty, frustration, equality. A, B, C. Okay. Question number 22nd. The easy on the Rule of the Road is taken from Gardner dash. Option number D is the correct answer. Live in the Wild, 1920. Live in the Wild, 1920 is the correct answer. Unit number 6. The Pleasure of Ignorance by Robert Land. Okay. Question number 23. In the Pleasure of Ignorance by Robert Land, we have the theme of all of the above. Option number D. Option A, discovery. Option B, confusion. Option C is a inquisitiveness and ignorance. Okay. Question number 24. The Pleasure of Ignorance by Robert Land appeared in his easy collection named as. Option number A, The Pleasure of Ignorance. The Pleasure of Ignorance is the correct answer. Unit number 7. The Selfish Giant by Oscar Wilde. The Selfish Giant by Oscar Wilde. Question number 25. To whom did the garden in which the children played belong? Okay. Answer is option A, the giant. The giant is the correct answer. Question number 26. With whom had the giant been staying for 7 long years before returning to his castle? Option number D is the correct answer. The ogre is the correct answer. Question number 27. While the town was visited by spring and summer, the castle continued to experience winter. Who were the 4 in bracket personified bracket complete visitor to give trouble to the giant during the season? Question number D. Option number D, all. Option A, snow. Option B, frost. Option C, hail. Snow, frost, hail. All. Okay. Question number 28. When the giant woke up one morning, which bird did he hear singing so much that he was mesmerized by its melody? Option number C is the correct answer. Linnet. Linnet is the correct answer. Okay. Question number 29. For days to come, although the giant enjoyed the company of his new little friend, he was secretly unhappy because he didn't see. So answer is option number C, the bird. Option number C, the bird is the correct answer. मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर तुम्ही याला लाईक शेअर कमेंट करा व आपल्या मित्रांना पण शेअर करा. थँक्यू.